Our bodies are capable of incredible things. We can run, jump, lift, and dance. All of these movements, big and small, are powered by muscles. Think of your muscles as the engine of your body. They contract and relax, working together to create movement. Without muscles, we wouldn't be able to interact with the world around us. There are over 600 muscles in the human body. They cover our skeleton and give us our unique shape. Muscles are essential for everything we do, from breathing to walking to lifting heavy objects. They even help regulate our body temperature. Muscles are made up of special cells called muscle fibers. These fibers are like long, thin threads that bundle together. When these fibers receive signals from our brains, they contract or shorten. This contraction generates the force needed for movement. Not all muscles are created equal. In fact, there are different types of muscle fibers within our muscles. Think of them as specialists, each with its own strengths. The two main types are slow-twitch and fast-twitch muscle fibers. Slow-twitch muscle fibers are the endurance specialists. They are packed with mitochondria, the powerhouses of cells, which provide a steady supply of energy. Slow-twitch fibers contract slowly and steadily, making them perfect for activities like long-distance running or cycling. Fast-twitch muscle fibers, on the other hand, are built for speed and power. They contract quickly and forcefully, but tire out more easily. You use these fibers for activities like sprinting, weightlifting, or any movement that requires a burst of energy. Understanding the difference between slow-twitch and fast-twitch fibers is key to unlocking your athletic potential. It helps explain why some people excel in endurance sports while others are naturally stronger or faster. Endurance training like long-distance running or swimming places unique demands on your muscles. Your muscles adapt to meet these demands in fascinating ways. Slow-twitch muscle fibers are the stars of the show when it comes to endurance. As you train for endurance, your slow-twitch fibers become even more efficient. They increase their ability to use oxygen to produce energy, thanks to a boost in mitochondria. This means they can keep going for longer without tiring. Endurance training also improves your body's ability to deliver oxygen to your muscles. Your heart gets stronger, pumping more blood with each beat. Your blood vessels become more efficient at transporting oxygen to your working muscles. These adaptations are what allow marathon runners to cover incredible distances. Their bodies have become fine-tuned machines capable of sustained effort over long periods. Strength training, like lifting weights or doing bodyweight exercises, triggers a different set of adaptations in your muscles. In this case, fast-twitch muscle fibers take center stage. These fibers have the potential to grow larger and stronger, leading to increased power and strength. When you lift weights, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Don't worry, this is a good thing. Your body responds by repairing these tears, making the muscle fibers bigger and stronger than before. Strength training also improves your nervous system's ability to activate your muscles. Your brain becomes more efficient at sending signals to your muscles, allowing you to recruit more muscle fibers when you need them. This increase in muscle size and strength is what allows weightlifters to lift incredible amounts of weight. Their bodies have adapted to handle heavy loads, making them powerful athletes. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of motor units. A motor unit is like a team, consisting of a single motor neuron and all the muscle fibers it connects to. These motor units are the control centers for your muscle contractions. When you decide to move, your brain sends a signal down your spinal cord to a motor neuron. This signal tells the motor neuron to fire, activating all the muscle fibers in its unit. The more motor units that fire, the stronger the muscle contraction. Different movements require different levels of muscle activation. For example, picking up a pencil requires the activation of only a few motor units. Lifting a heavy box, on the other hand, requires the activation of many more motor units to generate enough force. The type of motor units recruited also varies depending on the task. Slow-twitch fibers are controlled by smaller motor units, while fast-twitch fibers are controlled by larger motor units. This is why you can maintain a light grip for a long time but tire quickly when gripping something tightly. The type of training you do determines which motor units are activated and how your muscles adapt. Endurance training primarily activates smaller motor units, leading to adaptations in slow-twitch fibers. Strength training, on the other hand, activates larger motor units, leading to adaptations in fast-twitch fibers. Think about the difference between a marathon runner and a weightlifter. A marathon runner's muscles are lean and efficient, with a high proportion of slow-twitch fibers. A weightlifter's muscles are larger and more powerful, with a higher proportion of fast-twitch fibers. Both types of training are beneficial for overall health and fitness. Endurance training improves cardiovascular health and endurance, while strength training increases muscle mass and strength. Incorporating both types of training into your routine can lead to a well-rounded physique and improved athletic performance. Gap 1S. Just as important as your training is the fuel you provide your muscles. Nutrition plays a crucial role in muscle growth and recovery. Let's start with protein. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue. When you work out, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Protein helps repair these fibers, making them stronger and larger. Foods rich in protein include chicken, fish, eggs, and plant-based options like tofu and lentils. Gap 2S. Next up, carbohydrates. Carbs are your body's primary energy source. They fuel your workouts and help replenish glycogen stores in your muscles. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are excellent sources of healthy carbohydrates. Gap 2S. And don't forget about fats. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, including hormones that promote muscle growth. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are great sources of healthy fats. Gap 2S. Supplements can also support your muscle development. Protein powders, creatine, and branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, are popular choices among athletes. However, it's important to remember that supplements should complement a balanced diet, not replace it. Gap 2S. By combining the right nutrition with your training regimen, you can maximize your muscle growth and achieve your fitness goals. Remember, what you eat is just as important as how you train. Fuel your body wisely and your muscles will thank you. Gap 1S. While intense training and proper nutrition are crucial for muscle growth, there's another key player in the game. Rest and recovery. Without adequate rest, your muscles can't repair and grow effectively. Gap 1S. Let's start with sleep. Sleep is when your body goes into full repair mode. During deep sleep, growth hormone levels peak, stimulating muscle repair and growth. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to give your body the time it needs to recover. Gap 2S. Next, let's talk about rest days. Rest days are just as important as workout days. They give your muscles time to heal from the micro-tears created during exercise. Overtraining without sufficient rest can lead to injuries and hinder your progress. Incorporate at least 1 or 2 rest days into your weekly routine to allow your muscles to recover and grow stronger. Gap 2S. Active recovery is another effective technique. Instead of complete rest, engage in low-intensity activities like walking, yoga, or light stretching. These activities increase blood flow to your muscles, helping to reduce soreness and promote faster recovery. Gap 1S. Lastly, consider techniques like foam rolling and massage. These methods help to release muscle tension, improve flexibility, and enhance circulation, all of which contribute to better muscle recovery. Gap 2S. Remember, rest and recovery are not signs of weakness, they are essential components of a balanced fitness regimen. By giving your body the time it needs to heal, you can come back stronger and more resilient. So, listen to your body, prioritize rest, and watch your muscles thrive. Gap 1S. Now that we've covered the importance of rest and recovery, let's dive into the world of strength training exercises. Strength training is essential for building muscle, improving bone density, and boosting overall fitness. Gap 1S. There are various types of strength training exercises, each targeting different muscle groups and offering unique benefits. Let's explore some of the most effective ones and how to perform them correctly. Gap 2S. First, let's talk about compound exercises. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups at once, making them highly efficient for building overall strength. Examples include squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your body by bending your knees and hips, and then push back up to the starting position. Make sure to keep your back straight and your knees aligned with your toes. Gap 2S. Next, we have isolation exercises. Unlike compound exercises, isolation exercises target a single muscle group. These are great for focusing on specific areas that need extra attention. Examples include bicep curls, tricep extensions, and leg curls. To perform a bicep curl, hold a dumbbell in each hand, curl the weights towards your shoulders while keeping your elbows close to your body, and then lower them back down. Gap 2S. Body weight exercises are another effective form of strength training. These exercises use your own body weight for resistance, making them convenient and accessible. Examples include push-ups, pull-ups, and lunges. To perform a push-up, place your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor, lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground, and then push yourself back up. Gap 2S. Resistance band exercises are a versatile option for strength training. These bands provide varying levels of resistance and can be used to target different muscle groups. Examples include banded squats, banded rows, and banded chest presses. To perform a banded row, step on the middle of the band with both feet, hold the ends of the band with your hands, and pull the band towards your hips while keeping your back straight. Gap 2S. Lastly, let's discuss functional training exercises. These exercises mimic everyday movements and improve your overall functional strength. Examples include kettlebell swings, medicine ball throws, and farmer's walks. To perform a kettlebell swing, hold the kettlebell with both hands, swing it between your legs, and then thrust your hips forward to swing the kettlebell to shoulder height. Gap 2S. Remember, proper form is crucial for preventing injuries and maximizing the benefits of strength training. Always warm up before starting your workout and cool down afterwards. Gradually increase the weight and intensity of your exercises to continue challenging your muscles and promoting growth. Gap 2S. By incorporating a variety of strength training exercises into your routine, you can build a balanced and resilient physique. So, grab those weights, bands, or just your body, and start working towards your strength goals today.